Hi everyone, I'm Taylor Williams, winner of the 2019 Australian Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Student of the Year Award. So straight after high school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, but I got straight into a traineeship, which was with ACT Corrective Services, and I did my Certificate 3 in Business. And then after that, I decided to apply for the Indigenous Apprenticeship Programme, and along with that program came the opportunity to do a Diploma of Government.
So my name's David Whittam. I'm the current Indigenous Services Coordinator at the Alexander McConaughey Centre. Taylor came to me in the first part of a rotation as part of a 12-month traineeship. But what I noticed in Taylor over time is that she built confidence. And I also noticed a difference in her ability to engage with other people at all different levels.
So Taylor joined our team in November last year. She's been an extremely valuable asset to the team. Taylor's obviously super passionate about the work we do here, which is amazing. She also has a very eagerness to learn and to try new things.
VET really increased my confidence and showed me all the opportunities available to me as well. I was learning all these skills and going straight back into the workplace and applying them straight away.
So I 100% recommend VET pathways, particularly in defence. I've also been on a VET program myself, and I've seen the benefits firsthand on what it can provide to a meaningful career.
So some advice I would offer to other people considering a VET pathway is look at what their strengths are and what they're good at and how they can build a really successful, meaningful career out of it. Just understand what keeps you motivated and what keeps you driven. And I think the best piece of advice I've been given is to ignore any self-doubt and to really, back yourself and have that courage to kind of allow yourself to dream and follow your dream and have that confidence to allow yourself to fail but then get back up and try again.
Develop your work ethic. Focus is something else. Focus will come. Get your foot in the door. Work hard and then have a look around at the opportunities that present themselves.
Along the way, I've had so many people supporting me and backing me, and I think the key achievement for me out of all of this was when I started believing in myself. I'm just really glad that I'm able to share my story with others. If it makes a difference in one person's life, then it's all worth it.